Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Edge Titanium. Coming in this nice dark gray color, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, you got rear park sensing, backup camera, with a lovely roof spoiler. We got some nice black and silver trim all along this vehicle with some nice looking rims, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a lovely remote start on this vehicle, perfect for the cold winter months, front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You got cargo cubby holes on either side, hooks and doodads for all your cargo necessities. You can collapse your last row from right here with a 12-volt. Got the hooks at the bottom here. I'm just going to flip that up so we can see that we do get tons of more storage underneath with a spare tire. To close your liftgate, all you have to do, hit this button right there or on the key fob, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat to 5 pretty comfortably. We got this nice quilted black leather interior. The seats are kind of reclined right now, but you can fold them back up more. You do get plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, storage, outlets for charging, and of course you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with some storage down below with same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, upgraded B&O sound system with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, liftgate, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 66,037 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle for your right-hand screen, toggle for your left-hand screen, cruise control, playback, play forward phone, voice, mute, volume. Left-hand screen we do get your display, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. And to my right we got entertainment and phone settings. We got your parking brake and gear select right here, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, and tons of storage. You even got your little cup holders there, wireless charging with some outlets, center console with tons of more storage underneath, tune, volume, and your nice little backup camera. We got storage on the dash as well, storage below, and a garage door transmitter. Looking at a closer look at your main infotainment system here, you do get some nice dual climate up front, heated front seats, your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, you got your phone controls, media, and looking here, you got all your apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, entertainment, so you do get little video games you can play. Pretty cool. We do get all your vehicle settings in here as well, such as sound, voice, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8407, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.